Well, hello again everyone, and I've had another little delivery for the Mutt Mastiff motorbike. And here they are, look at this, look, lovely leather panniers. Now I know much better modern materials are available, and these are unlikely to be 100% waterproof, especially just with a buckled sort of strapped enclosure. But I'm not really planning on using the motorbike in foul weather if at all possible. And also, of course, the more modern ones don't look as stylish, and as you know, I am all about the style. So I was looking around and I got these on eBay. I'd seen on the Mutt Facebook groups people with similar looking leather saddlebags, and these are apparently made in Rajasthan by craftsmen using goat's leather. So these are goat's leather saddlebags, panniers, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the look of them. I think they'll fit onto the grab handles at the back. I don't think I need a rack. We'll see. They've just got these two straps to secure them. I will put a link, an eBay link in the description. Depending on when you're watching this, it may not be active, I guess, but I will put a link to the ones that I bought. Right, let's get them on the bike, eh? So there we go. I reckon they look all right, don't you? I'll report back once I've had use of them for a while, how I get on. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed it, press like, subscribe if you want to see some more, and ring the bell to be notified when we upload something new.